A forced restart can fix frozen Pixel phones or software glitches when a normal restart won't, quickly resolving issues and getting your phone back to tip-top shape. This is how it's done. Press and hold the power key for 30 seconds. If your device is powered on while you're doing this, the Google Assistant may pop up, but continue holding the power key and the phone will eventually turn off. You only have to release the power key when the Google logo shows on the screen. However, if your phone has a black screen or stopped responding, then just keep holding the power key until you see the Google logo. If that doesn't make it respond, try charging the device for at least 10 minutes. And then hold the power key for 30 seconds again. Regardless of whether your Pixel is responding or not, a forced restart will always work and refresh its memory. We hope this guide can be helpful. Thanks for watching.